Greetings, beloved friends. Accompany us on an exploration of mine tech, where we uncover the extraordinary capabilities of heavy equipment machines and the latest advancements in this domain. Get ready for an awe-inspiring revelation of a monumental machine is just moments away as we approach the video's conclusion. Keep watching until the end to unveil it. Krone has unveiled 3 new models as part of its latest generation of trailed rotary tethers, showcasing working widths ranging from 9 to 12.2 meters. These machines deliver exceptional efficiency and productivity in forage processing, coupled with user-friendly operation and the incorporation of modern, proven technical features, a notable attribute. Let's introduce the RP200 from Morsel, a versatile assistant that combines 3 functions in one: picker, cleaner, and bale puller. This equipment is designed for continuous harvesting, offering significant cost savings and improved farm management. It is suitable for both almond and olive harvesting. The bales are harvested with wire wheels and a receiving hopper, streamlining fieldwork. Additionally, the machine features a high-capacity vegetable peeler and is adaptable to various crop types. This reach stacker ensures high safety, efficiency, precision, and stability. The integrated operating system delivers outstanding loader performance, with the engine, transmission, electrical, hydraulic, loading, and spreader safety systems seamlessly integrated into the CAN bus. This integration allows for real-time monitoring of the entire working process. Reel mowers may not be suitable for everyone, designed for small, flat mowing areas, demanding considerable effort to operate. However, they offer exceptional mowing quality and convenience, providing something no other machine can. The Jacobson mower stands out as one of the best in its category. If you're intrigued by the content and wish to stay updated on the latest developments in agricultural machinery and technology, remember to hit the subscribe button for future videos. Roll press pickers, also recognized as balers, are agricultural implements designed to compress materials such as hay, straw, or other crops into dense bales. Among farmers, the Compress series of balers, crafted by Krone, stands out for its reliability and efficiency. The Compress baler, renowned for its versatility, adeptly handles various crops, ranging from dry hay to moist silage, and offers the flexibility to create bales of different sizes, catering to the diverse needs of farmers. For those in pursuit of the sturdiest hedge trimmer with a side-turning feature, the Atera Typhoon lawnmower is the ideal choice. This machine harnesses sheer force and power to effortlessly clear the way, demonstrating exceptional performance in clearing small trees, bushes, and various vegetation. Rest assured that all land clearing tasks will be executed with efficiency and speed. We're excited to present the latest innovation from Euroagrit, the cutting-edge combine harvester model TU200. We won't delve into many details here, as the video showcases the efficiency of this technology superbly. Say goodbye to the need for a tractor to lay mulch. Now, you can handle it manually with this hand-powered mulching unit. This versatile unit is fully adjustable to accommodate various bed widths and sizes, making it a game changer. Perfectly fitting into greenhouses, high tunnels, or spaces with limited room, it can be equipped to run one or more drip tape lines. Operating this unit requires 2 individuals, and it performs optimally when pulled at a steady walking pace. The moldboard plow opens 2 furrows, with the packer wheels pulling and laying mulch, and then the discs bury the edges. It is compatible with mulch rolls ranging from 36 to 60 inches wide. Encounter the Cut Grapple Woodcracker CS780, a potent and flexible forestry attachment engineered to effortlessly tackle the most challenging wood cutting and logging tasks. This attachment seamlessly integrates with various machines, including excavators and skid steerers, making it a versatile addition to any forestry operation. Should you find the content captivating and wish to remain informed about the latest advancements in agricultural machinery and technology, be sure to subscribe for regular updates. The BC1173 compactor, a sturdy and adaptable machine, stands out for its outstanding compaction performance and reliability. Crafted by Baumag, a prominent player in the construction equipment sector, the BC1173 is engineered to provide top-notch compaction results across diverse applications. These include road construction, landfill operations, and industrial sites. The compactor drum boasts a specially designed structure that ensures uniform compaction and exceptional traction. Available in various widths, it caters to a range of job requirements with precision. Shifting our focus to Ditch Witch's latest model, the 1820, it's truly intriguing. This machine boasts a robust 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, an impressive digging depth of up to 1.2 meters, and an operational weight of approximately 1 ton. These specifications empower the machine to efficiently lay pipes and cables, even in the most challenging job sites. Have you ever considered a walk around with the JCB? If so, I bring exciting news. The world's most renowned telescopic handler is now available for purchase. What sets it apart is its 360-degree rotating boom and an impressive lifting capacity of up to 25 meters. Furthermore, this handler boasts user-friendly features and delivers outstanding performance, versatility, and efficiency. Boltec M10 and E10 stand out as fully mechanized drilling rigs designed for anchor bolt installation, recognized for their superior anchoring quality and productivity in mining operations. The achievement of high-quality anchoring and productivity in mining is attributed to the incorporation of intelligent features in these machines. Notably, both models offer an optional electric transmission with a zero-emission battery, a crucial environmental consideration. Wouldn't you agree? If the content has captured your interest and you desire to keep abreast of the latest innovations in agricultural machinery and technology, make sure to subscribe to stay informed. The JCB 8330 is recognized as a sturdy and potent tractor, well suited for challenging assignments like slurry spreading. With a generous tank capacity, it holds a considerable amount of liquid manure, allowing for the efficient coverage of large agricultural areas without the need for frequent refills. Additionally, the tractor features a dedicated spreading mechanism to guarantee the even dispersal of liquid manure throughout the field. Grateful for your participation in this captivating exploration on Mind Tech. Your time and interaction are greatly appreciated, and we are privileged to have you as an esteemed member of our growing community. With each video, we endeavor to engage with individuals who are passionate about technological advancements. Don't forget to subscribe, share your insights in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.